Hi, Nick from OdataLink here, and in this video we'll cover everything you need to know about the OdataLink Firewall. The purpose of the OdataLink Firewall is to safeguard your data to ensure that no one outside your organization can access your data. As with all security settings in OdataLink, it is primarily configured via the model screen. From there, you can choose to enable or disable the firewall and choose which IP addresses are authorized. But if you need to add new entries to the firewall, that's done via the IP addresses screens. It's also from the IP address screen that you can see the last time an OData feed used that location. And you should really remove old entries that have not been used in a while unless you are sure they're needed. OdataLink provides three different mechanisms within the firewall. System IP addresses, like the Power BI Cloud entry, are managed by OdataLink. You simply need to assign these to the model, and OdataLink takes care of updating the ranges on a regular basis. IP-based IP addresses are the traditional IT mechanism where you can authorize a single or a range of IP addresses. And geo-based IP addresses, introduced in January 2025, are a new mechanism where you can authorize all IP addresses belonging to an ASN or ISP, city, region, or country. When you authorize a geo-based IP address, you're essentially saying that all IP addresses operated by the ASN located in the city, state, or country can connect to your data. While it is less secure than authorizing a single IP, it does make it easier to manage, particularly for those with dynamic IP addresses or who use mobile phone or cell phone based internet. The quickest way to update the OdataLink firewall is simply by logging into OdataLink. Whenever you log in, OdataLink checks to see if your current IP address is authorized. If it's not, OdataLink displays a screen allowing you to update the firewall. On this screen, you can choose to authorize your current IP address or a geo-based IP address. You can choose whether to add this new entry to all users or only your user, or if you prefer updating an existing one. And you can name it for easy reference. This essentially allows you to manage multiple personal IP addresses, for instance, if you work from home or an office location. Changing an IP address that applies to a single user and making it apply to all users is also very simple. You can go to the IP address screen, find the entry, and choose Allow All Users. Converting an IP-based IP address to use the geo-based mechanism is also simple. You can go to the IP address screen, find the entry, choose Convert to Geo-based, and choose the appropriate validation mechanism. Note that this screen provides more options so that you can really tailor it to what you need. And finally, if the OdataLink firewall blocks access to your data, it will generate a notification email and send it to all administrators. If they confirm it was a valid request and should have been authorized, they can update the firewall very easily. The changes made to the OdataLink firewall in January 2025 strikes a balance between high security and ease of maintenance. We hope you find them valuable, and catch you next time.